Okay, YouTube, here we are, ready to face the last of the Elite Four members, Marshall. Marshall has fighting type Pokemon, as you know, we have faced him a lot of times, and leads with Throh. I lead with my Alakazam. Okay, I go for the Psychic, which does take Throh down. Bye bye Throh. Next one is Lucario. I'll switch out to my Honchkrow now. Okay, Lucario will probably go for the Shadow Ball, I guess. Yes, that won't do a lot. It is a resisting hit. And I go for the super duper super power to Lucario's face. Lucario's down. Now he will send out Shock. Okay, Shock. I'll send out Toxicroak. I guess he will go for Stone Edge, yes. It doesn't do a lot. Now, Sword Dance. Okay. He goes for Retaliate. That doesn't do a lot. Let's use Drain Punch. He has Stradi ability and he survives. Now he goes for Retaliate again. Okay, I guess he will use an item now, so let's go for another Sword Dance. Here we are, and why not another Sword Dance? Now plus 6. Shock goes for Retaliate. Oh, it did a lot. I go for the Drain Punch. I will recover a lot of health. Of course, because of Stradi, Shock survives, goes for the Stone Edge, it doesn't do a lot. Another Drain Punch and Shock is down. And what are you going to set out now? Conkeldurr. Okay, Conkeldurr is a bulky motherfucker, but I'm plus 6 and he is down. If he wasn't, then I don't know, I would break my computer. And last one is Mienshao. Okay, are you faster? No, you are not. I go for another Drain Punch. And Mienshao is down. So that was it. We beat it, Marshall. And on the next video we're up. What? Oh, I thought this was over. It is not. He has a Medicham. Okay, a Medicham. Medicham resists Drain Punch. What if I Earthquake you to the face? Anyway, this is it. Now it is over. And on the next episode we're about to face Iris with our Diamond team.